The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special military operation. Operational, tactical and army aviation, missile troops and artillery of the armed forces of the Russian Federation have hit 76 Ukrainian artillery units at their firing positions, enemy's manpower and military equipment in 114 areas during the day. In addition, a fuel depot for military equipment of the 65th Territorial Defense Brigade was destroyed near Zaliznichnoye in Zaporozhye region. Fighter jets of the Russian Aerospace Forces intercepted one Su-24 aircraft of the Ukrainian Air Force close to Boguslavka in Kharkov region. Russian Air Defense Forces have intercepted 5 HIMARS shells during the day. In addition, 16 Ukrainian unmanned aerial vehicles were intercepted in the areas of Zaliman, Kremenaya in Lugansk People's Republic, Vladimirovka, Vasilyevka, Pavlovka in Donetsk People's Republic, Berestovoye, Lozovaya in Kharkov region, and Alyoshki in Kherson region. In total, 404 airplanes, 224 helicopters, 3,544 unmanned aerial vehicles, 414 air defense missile systems, 8,384 tanks and other armored fighting vehicles, 1,071 combat vehicles equipped with MRLS, 4,415 field artillery cannons and mortars, as well as 9,073 units of special military equipment have been destroyed during the special military operation.
The other side, Ukraine Defense Ministry in a statement said Russia lost 660 servicemen in a single day, including 13 tanks and 11 armored fighting vehicles. In total, Kremlin lost 168,150 servicemen during the conflict, including 3,579 tanks, 6,898 armored fighting vehicles as well as 305 jet fighters and 290 helicopters. Ukraine Defense Ministry also shows footage of 59 separate motorized infantry brigade named after Yakov Hanzyuk destroy Russia tanks in front line. Russia and Ukraine conflict lasted for 393 days. There is still no peace talk agreements from both sides.
Terima kasih sudah nonton. Jangan lupa like, subscribe, dan share ya.